Converting units of volume. Now, we discussed this in some of the examples, and we discussed converting units of area. When it's volume, we know that when we convert units of length, we need to convert them in all three directions. So this way, and this way. And that's why we have 1,000 cubed, and 100 cubed, and 10 cubed, because we have to change in all three directions. Some other units we need to be aware of here. The litre is a unit of volume. 1 milliliter is the same as 1 cubic centimetre. And that means that if 1,000 milliliters makes a litre, then a litre is also 1,000 cubic centimetres. There's also a unit called the kilolitre, which is 1,000 litres, and therefore is 1 million cubic centimetres. We want to convert the following: 3.2 cubic centimetres to cubic millimetres. So that's multiplied by 10 cubed. So we've got 3.2 times 10 times 10 times 10, which means from 3.2, the decimal point's going to go 1, 2, 3 places. So that's 3,200 cubic millimetres. So now we have 560,000 cubic millimetres to cubic centimetres. And that means we need to divide. So 560,000, and then we're going to divide by 10, divide by 10, divide by 10, which essentially means that we lose 3 zeros. So that's going to be 560 cubic centimetres. 5.2 cubic metres to cubic centimetres. So that's 5.2. And we're going to need to times by 100, and then times by 100, and then times by 100. Which means starting with 5.2, the decimal point is going to go 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5, 2, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And that's now in cubic centimetres. 5.2 cubic metres to litres. Well, we already know from this part of the question that this is 520. It's 5,200,000, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. It's that many cubic centimetres. Well, that means it's that many millilitres, since we know from up here that 1 millilitre is the same as 1 cubic centimetre. So we can change that to litres by dividing by 1,000. So it's 5,200 litres.